Good morning everyone, basa tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralph Lyon Pag-vlogs. November 22, 2021. Kung gusto lang kumopya ng mga Sagittarius dyan, kopya na. Uranus square moon, stress can come to family life. And there will be a real intolerance for people who enjoy being spontaneous. The emotional war that is taking place within you is taking its toll on those close to you. Ayan guys, nakalagay. The emotional war that is taking place within you is taking its toll on those close to you, which can easily disrupt the domestics yan. You may notice some spasms of the stomach or ups and downs with your eyesight. Ay nako, yung mata ko talaga yan. Number 1. Here is where change is at its most unpredictable, as separations can suddenly occur from emotional bonds. Since the moon represents the emotions, the mother band, the ties that bind us, then this is the time for removal either temporarily or permanently from present conditions. Those removals that are permanent allow you the freedom of being on your own, whether wanted or not. Divorces and incidents, ay wala pong divorce sa amin. Ano lang, annulment lang. Divorces and incidents of romantic disappointments and failure possible now. Sa atin ba, sa bansa ba natin guys, wala naman tayong divorce, diba? So, ibig lang sabihin niya to, paghihiwalay. Divorces and incidents of romantic disappointments and failure possible now, and you should find a release for all of that pent up energy you are carrying around with you. Ang haba naman. Do anything that leaves you tired physically just as long as you don't injure yourself. Yan, huwag sasaktan na sarili guys. The Boy Scout motto must have been invented during this transit as it stands, for be prepared. Malaki talaga yung ano niya. Nakaka-caps lock. Be prepared. Wide awake and alert. As infantile explosions of emotions are probable. Sudden domestic changes that have been boiling up for some time have to let go, and this is what this transit is famous for, as this is the pressure cooker release mechanism of the zodiac. You really won't care at this time about anything but being free, no matter what form it takes, and people will see mood changes in you, like Jekyll and Hyde. Unfortunately, it will seem more like Jekyll and Jekyll. It is an opinion that is not the time to buy a home, or at least one you will be living in for a long time, as it can be here today and gone tomorrow. Ayan, huwag bumili ng bahay. Boredom can breed childish. Sa araw na to ha, November 22. Boredom can breed childish behavior now, or here is the prankster looking to play a practical joke on anyone in their path. On the health front, ulcers and spasms can occur, and exercise would be satisfying. Yung may mga ulcers dyan. Exercise lang pala ang katapat, oh. Nakalagay kasi, on the health front, ulcers and spasms can occur, and exercise would be satisfying to the system, or try a message to soothe the nervous system. Mood swings and bitchiness. Baka naman massage ang ibig niya sabihin dito. But message, nakalagay message. Try a message to soothe the nervous system. Both swings and bitchiness can also be expected. Those things that have happened in the past can pop up and bring some very unpredictable emotional explosions. Now, and secret unfulfilled desires are awakened to be satisfied. In romance and marriage, there can be separation, and since kanina mo pa nga yung binabanggit yung separations na yun, may divorce na nga, diba? In romance and marriage, there can be separations, and since there was so many people in this wide world of ours, you may hear news of a death. November 23, 2021 hanggang 23 lang tayo guys. Kung anong haba ng 22, siya namang exit ng 23. Kaya hanggang 23 tayo. Venus sextile Venus. Take time off and go to a party. You have been working entirely too hard and need some time to unwind with people you can relate to emotionally. If you are a man, you may find the girl or of your dreams. Ladies, you may find the guy of your dreams. It could be happen. Ayun. Hanggang dyan na lang siya. Bye everyone. God bless.